optometrist office today. And this thing is wobbling really bad. Really bad. Okay. Wow. Like a blast. Okay. Very lucky. This is actually unthreading because these are crusty. Very crusty. Well, a bunch of wax is on here. Flange looks good. It's just really high above the floor here, and I think if I shim it, it might work. But the floor is just really unlevel, and that's why it's rocking like that. Okay, toilet's reset. It's really not, I don't know, it's not really shaking around. I mean, and this is really needs to be redone badly. But you can see, I can fit my finger under there. So we'll shim it best as we can. It's good on this side though. Shimmed all around. The thing is solid. So I just got done at that optometrist's. I was thinking, you know, those linoleum squares are kind of coming up everywhere. And I told the optometrist, I said, "Hey, look, man, if this doesn't work, you know, we're gonna have to pull all that up and then lay down some concrete or retile or something to level this floor out." And but I think it'll be okay because the flange was really in good shape. I shimmed around all sides of the toilet and I caulked the heck out of it. So I think it'll hold for a while. But if people are slapping their big old fat butts down on that thing, you know, it may come loose sooner rather than later, but I don't know. Should be all right. We'll see.